Crew Nation, thank you so much for watching. I wanted to make a quick video today. I talked to someone from Creo yesterday on their marketplace and their partners program, and it got me thinking. So there's all these tools coming up now to help sites, right? That automate your recruitment. We have Patient Ace. By the way, if you want to be a Patient Ace user right now as a site, it's been booking my site, Yuma Clinical Trials schedule, for the last 3 months, maybe for the last 4 months. Hit me up. We're taking beta users right now, so it's like significant discounts compared to what it's going to be when we release the actual product to the market. But it got me thinking. So actually, patient recruitment's a perfect example. Back in the day when I started, 2005, patient recruitment, there were only like 1 or 2 really big vendors, and what they specialized in was really TV and radio ads. And they offered the service of making it easier for sites to get patients via those mechanisms without actually having to do the ads themselves, without having to negotiate with the TV stations, radio stations. The same exact thing is happening now with social media, with Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Same exact thing. That's actually what Patient Ace does. We do all that stuff for you, the technical stuff. If you don't have a Facebook profile page, we'll make one for you, so you don't have to worry about any of that stuff except telling us what market you want to advertise for and what studies. We'll do everything else from creative to everything. That's getting automated, but that used to be when there was only a few vendors, and actually still to this day, human beings doing a lot of the grassroots recruitment. Like our site still does community outreach, old school way, just with your feet, with your body, going out to different places in the community. And there used to be vendors, like independent contractors, going out to sites and saying, hey, do you need help recruiting patients, doing community outreach? And I still suggest individuals do this if you want to get a job at sites near you. There are so many other things that automation and AI have not touched yet. Contracts and budgets for sites, quality assurance for sites, source document creation for sites. These things eventually will get automated to the point of maybe full AI, full tech, one click of a button and it's going to get done for you. The harder the things, the more complex the negotiations, are probably 4 or 5 generations away with the current technology we have, but that means 5 to 10 years from now. In that meantime, I know there is a hiring freeze. You have a tremendous opportunity as an individual, if you know how to do any of these things, to go to sites and do this for them as a human being. Yes, eventually this will get automated, but even when it does, like patient recruitment. Patient recruitment's been automated maybe for the last 5 years. There's still sites that hire human beings to go out and do this stuff too. Not instead of the automated advertising, but in addition to. And I do think that's going to be the case also for some of these other things. You're going to need adult supervision, meaning human being, to check the tools for the contracts and budgets, for the QA, for the source, whatever else you think that you need at the site. So the point of all this is you can foresee where the technology is headed and where it's not at yet. And you could follow the pathway that recruitment took. And you can say to yourself, okay, I'm a human being, I'm in need of a job. I can do these things because these are not fully automated yet, so I don't have to compete with robots and algorithms. And when/if that time comes, I will still be in demand. And if you're a site, you should be looking for tools when they become available, but you should be looking to streamline these processes with human beings as well. You want both. We use Patient Ace to recruit. Yet we have Lana, who's our director of community outreach, and a couple of admins scheduling patients the old-fashioned way. Human being, human-to-human interaction, that's never going away. So if you're someone in need of a job that just got laid off, you've been at a CRO or a pharma company for a bunch of years. I just got a message from someone who worked at a large AMC doing contracts and budgets, and they got laid off. This stuff is going to eventually get automated, but sites need this help, and the technology is not there. Human being know-how, human being capability is there. So go network with your local sites, figure this out, and if you're a tech vendor looking to innovate, figure out how human beings are doing it, and figure out how many iterations away we are with the current technology and slowly morph into a human being / machine service company that ultimately will become more and more machine-like over the years. Let me know your thoughts on this. Like, subscribe, comment, share, Guru Nation. Have a good one. Good luck.